You often ask me how to edit the length of music in an Instagram Reel. Well, I finally have a solution and I'm going to share it in this video. Hi, I'm Ida, a corpus storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. So let's say you add a video. Let's just do a video of you talking. Hello, I am talking in this video. I'm explaining important stuff. And you want to have some music playing in there. Maybe like add another clip of the important stuff you're talking about. There we go, that's the important stuff I'm talking about. When you're adding that second clip, I suggest not having audios to go with it because it's going to mess with this a little bit because it's going to have audio on top of the music. But I'll show you how. So then you go next and let's go to edit video. So let's add some music. Let's add the song. Perfect. What you can now do is you can click on that music and then you can have it so it's only when you're showing that part. So there you go. You have you talking. But wait, when you first do this, you're not going to hear your volume. You first have to set the controls of that. So to do that is you're going to go to volume over here and you're going to bring up your camera audio. Now go done. Hello, I am talking in this video. I'm explaining important stuff. Perfect. And then you can explain the important stuff. So this is a new feature that Instagram allows you to adjust the music for, and then the volume allows you to bring back your camera volume. You can also access that volume if you go click on music up here, and it's in your controls. So you can see both your audios are going to be full here, so whatever audio controls that you do have included, they're going to be right there. You can also to go in there and you can enhance. So this is going to allow you to enhance any of the audio that you did speaking while you were talking. So let's go back. Oh, I am talking in this video. So you can hear that when I'm talking now, that audio is more crisp. So this allows me to enhance my audio, add voiceover if I want to add voiceover. So let's say we want to add some voiceover while we're talking about this stuff. So we're talking about how to point here, there, everywhere on your reel, of course. And then let's say we want that music now, but we don't want that music to be so loud so you can still hear my voiceover. So I can adjust that volume. I am talking in this video, I'm explaining important stuff. So you can add that music just when you're doing things, just to add more excitement to your video when you're showing your demo. I love this reel. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.